Hi, I'm Domagoj Jukac, the head of BMW design, and today I want to spend some time with you on the design process of the BMW i4. The design of the BMW i4 started with a vision, actually with this one, the BMW Vision Next 100. In 2016 we were celebrating 100 years of BMW existence, but we wanted to focus on the future, on the next 100. And this show car was showing what BMW stands for. The four-door sporty saloon packed with everything what the future will bring. Then 2017 we presented the BMW i Vision Dynamics. With this vision car we wanted to focus on one promise we made with the Vision Next 100, that electrification arrives in the core of BMW. We have a four-door Grand Coupe with a very dynamic and sporty roofline. On top of this, we also showcase a new form language, which is very clean with some precise lines and some aerodynamic features. All of this you can see also in the BMW Concept i4, which is very close to the production i4. The two most important icons of a BMW are the double kidney and the twin headlights. The kidney is executed in a vertical way, which is rooted in our history. In the past, it was the opening of the cooling system, and now, as an electrified car, the kidneys are closed. But in the future, we still believe that the kidney is the biggest differentiator to our customers. With intelligence and autonomous driving, we need to implement a lot of sensors. The kidney is the ideal position where we can combine brand identity and technology in a very intelligent way. The vertical prominent kidney and the twin headlights, both executed in a very progressive and focused way. Even as an emission-free car, a BMW should be highly emotional in the rear end. We achieved this with three elements: very clean surfacing and strong shoulders. Then two rear lights, which are very sculptural executed and with a signature in terms of a heartbeat, very emotional signature. Then on the bottom of the rear end, we establish a new icon for our future electrified BMW vehicles. It's the aero diffuser. It replaces the exhaust pipes of our traditional BMW combustion engines, and it brings the focus to aero efficiency and the promise that electrified vehicles will be always highly dynamic as well. The development of the BMW i4, a story that began 5 years ago. If you want to learn more, stay tuned.